Hi guys, and welcome back to Diecast Cars by JR. In today's video, I want to try to make up for yesterday's video that was featuring cars from the Fast and Furious series. I ended up with a lot of light and dark, and for some reason the video came out. It actually did a double take on YouTube, and my apologies. I'm still on a learning curve here, guys. So anyway, I'm going to jump right into this. And this is my Gmail address for those of you new to my site. Like I always say, everything I have is available. If you see anything of interest, you can always contact my Gmail. Thank you. All right, we're going to get right into this. I'm going to start off with the American Muscle. Right there, this particular car with the wide fender flares was from the Fate of the Furious, which was a spin-off of Fast and Furious. That happens to be a Dodge Charger. Next up, I believe it is probably a 70s vintage. It didn't really say. The car in the center was the one that really kicked off the whole series of the Fast and the Furious. This one happens to be from Hot Wheels, and it is a 1970 Dodge Charger that made Vin Diesel pretty much a household name. Really cool. Nice car. Up next is a 1997 Corvette Coupe. Nice car. You guys that Corvette owners, and if you've ever had the opportunity to drive one, you know they are really nice cars. This one coming up, the 70 Chevelle SS Malibu came in a whole bunch of different motors, all the way up to the 454 big block V8. These cars, fantastic in their own right. That one came in primer. Up next is a 1993 Mazda RX-7. Super nice little car. They're a lot of fun to drive, like driving a souped-up go-kart. Next up, we have that is a Mitsubishi. No, it is not. I'm sorry. That is a Toyota Supra, 1995, in purple. Super nice wheels. I wish you could see the interior on that. It actually has nitrous tanks that you can see in the back windows, and like racing bucket seats, with the high backs to keep your head from flopping around. Up next, that is also a 1995 Toyota Supra in orange with a wild stripe package down the side. Great big spoiler on the back. Up next, the little silver car is a 1995 Honda Civic. One of the favorites among the tuners out there. Love these little Japanese cars. Okay, right here is a 2000 Acura NSX. I like to call that paint job the Golden Mustard dipped in chocolate, if you can imagine such a thing. It is so cool looking. I just love it. It makes me giggle every time. Super cool car. This car here is from the Experimenters, it's called. This is a 70 Dodge Charger, and it has some of the largest wheels that look like they belong on an off-road truck. But it is a cool looking car nonetheless. Alright, coming up next, Mitsubishi Eclipse. That Mitsubishi Eclipse, and gosh, I'm trying to remember what year that one is. I believe, oh, it's a 2001. That's what it is. 2001 Mitsubishi Eclipse in purple. Super nice car. Look at that. Nice interior. A car right next to it, that is another Mitsubishi Eclipse from 1995. There you go. Now, I know that went a whole lot quicker than yesterday's video. I'm trying to speed things up a little bit, guys, because I know I can get a little long-winded sometimes. This is also a 1970 Roadrunner desktop model, if that's what I like to call these. It's about 5.5 inches long, and if you happen to be interested in maybe something, you know, just to set on a desktop, and if you happen to own one now, that's even better, or just something to remind you of yesteryear. Super nice car, very well done. Let's check out that custom chrome steering wheel it has in there. All right, guys. Anyway, I just wanted to quickly go over these cars one more time and just give them, you know, the just deserves of that, or however you call that, that they really deserve. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. If you saw something today that you're interested in, and you know, hey, I'd like to hear from you guys. You know, you got a comment, a suggestion. If you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate it if you would consider that. I've got a lot more videos coming up, and a lot of interesting stuff. I think I'm going to pull out Batman on the next go around, and you know, give everybody some old memories of the Zip Zap Zowie and Batman and Robin and all that bunch. So should be a lot of fun. So hang in there, and I appreciate you bearing with me all this time. And we've got a long ways to go, guys. So you know, I think you guys are fantastic. Car people, you guys are great. You know you are. I don't have to tell you that. All right, I'm going to cut this off for now. Thanks for hanging in there with me.